Brushless DC motor, BLDC, is a type of permanent magnet synchronous motor. The stator of a brushless DC motor is a coil-winding armature, and the rotor is a permanent magnet. If only a fixed DC current is supplied to the motor can only produce a constant magnetic field, and the motor cannot rotate. The only way is to detect the position of the motor rotor in real time, and then pass corresponding currents to the different parts of the motor according to the position of the rotor, so that the stator generates a rotating magnetic field that changes direction evenly, so that the motor can rotate along with the magnetic field. In a brushless DC motor, the commutation work is completed by the control circuit in the controller, usually a Hall sensor plus controller, and the more advanced technology is a magnetic encoder. The brushless DC motor adopts electronic commutation, the coil does not move and the magnetic pole rotates. Through the Hall switch SS2712, the position of the permanent magnet pole is sensed, and the direction of the current in the coil is switched in a timely manner to ensure that the magnetic force in the correct direction is generated to drive the motor. The controller of the brushless DC motor can realize functions such as adjusting the power switching angle, reversing the motor, and locking the motor. Nowadays, the electronic alarm lock of the battery car makes full use of these functions. The brushless DC motor is composed of a motor body and a driver and is a typical electromechanical integration product. Since the brushless DC motor operates in a self-controlled manner, it does not have an additional starting winding on the rotor like a synchronous motor that starts under heavy load under variable frequency speed regulation, and it will not produce oscillation and loss of synchronization when the load changes suddenly.